site. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Chambers County in southeastern Texas until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Rollover Pass, or 18 miles southeast of Beach City, moving west at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Smith Point, Bolivar Peninsula, and Oak Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.